How to make a Facebook page. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can make a Facebook page. So without wasting much of your time, let's go ahead and open our Facebook. When you open your Facebook, go to your menu section, the three-line menu icon showing just below your screen. So go ahead and click that. When you click that, scroll a little and click on where you can see more. Click on see more. When you click on see more, I want you to click on pages. So when you click on pages, just go ahead and click on the create icon. So here is where you can create your pages. You're going to be seeing suggestion of pages as well. So go ahead and click on create pages. When you click create pages, you're going to see this this pop-up page. So a page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business, personal brand, and organization. So just go ahead and click on the get started. I'll go ahead and scroll and see more information here, but just go ahead and click on get started. So my page name will, so just name your page. This is the name of my page. So when you're done doing that, just click on next. When you click on next, you're going to select the category of your business or your page. So let's go ahead and click on applications. So when you click on your category, you can add as much category as you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and just choose social media agency. Click on create. When you click on create, so I have created so many pages and I can't create any now. So that's how you can create a page. So that's it, guys. This is how you can create a page on Facebook. As you can see, my account, I've created too much page that I can't create any now. But you can go ahead and follow this. If you follow this same story, I'll just show you guys, you're going to be able to create a page on Facebook. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel.